Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I will show you the fastest way to insert emojis in Microsoft Teams using the updated emoji shortcut. No menus, no clicking, just one simple trick. Open Microsoft Teams and go to any chat, channel or post where you want to type your message. Now instead of opening the emojis panel manually, simply type a colon on your keyboard. Right after typing colon, start typing the name of the emojis you want. For example, a smile. Team will instantly show a list of matching emojis. Use the arrow keys to scroll and press enter to insert the emoji into your message. If you are not sure of the emoji's exact name, just type colon and a few letters like huh. Will show emojis list. Teams will auto suggest everything that's matched. And that's how you quickly insert emojis in Microsoft Teams using the updated emojis keyboard shortcut. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in next one. Thanks for watching.